Oftentimes, my experience is that people have come through an injury and they do the rehab and they come out very deconditioned, very weak.
Mhm.
Rest of the body has withered because they're like, "Hey, I'm doing my rehab." And we always say that if you've done a successful rehab after a traumatic injury or any injury, this is actually an opportunity to you should return to play fitter with better mechanics, better prep because you've actually had time to do those things.
So as soon as the sutures are out and the doc says you can go in the pool, guess what? You're in the pool. So that's probably 5 weeks post-op. You're water running for a month. Then after you finish that stage, then you're doing retrograde treadmill repeats. You're walking backwards on an incline on the treadmill till your thighs feel like they're gonna fall off.
You are the
None of this
worst.
stuff. Pardon?
You're the
It's the
worst.
worst. It's the worst, but guess what? In my course, I actually use very little biking, very little cycling because, again, cycling is cyclical and is very concentric. So it doesn't provide this enough of a stress on the tissue to handle multi-directional load that will happen later on in the rehab.